My name is Brandon Cheshire. I'm the chief protagonist at SunHarvest Solar. So today I'm installing Aeroseal in my house. Aeroseal prevents your air ducts from leaking internally. It's a microscopic seal that penetrates throughout the entire duct and prevents the cool air from leaking into the attic. And it is one of the most efficient methods of saving energy in your home.
My name is Mike Aspinwall, and I am the owner, and I am an Aeroseal dealer. The first thing we do is remove all the registers. We remove all the registers and we put a foam pad in its place. And the very last register, we hook up our hoop and a long piece of plastic which is connected to our machine and a laptop. We also block off the unit. From there, we're able to test the leakage in the ductwork with our fancy laptop. And from there, it's kind of like putting slime in a tire. So we test the ductwork and then we shoot our sealant through the entire duct system, and it coagulates at the holes. It doesn't coat the system, it coagulates at the holes and it seals the holes up. And as the leakage lowers, the duct pressure raises. So once we get to a certain duct pressure and the leakage is as low as we need it to be, then we're done sealing. And from there, we do a certificate of completion and a post-out. So post-test, which is the results for the homeowner. And hopefully we save them money and dust in their house and better air quality in the end.